Hello and welcome to AnDAPT's AmPLink tutorial. The first step is to install the AmPLink software onto your Windows, Mac, or Linux computer. The Chrome browser will request an extension to be downloaded on first time of use. Make sure that your design is compiled and begin programming by first connecting the 12-volt power source into the wall socket and then the AnDAPT board. Then connect AmPLink with a USB to your computer, followed by the AnDAPT board. In WebAmP, click the AmPLink tab and select the appropriate AMP or flash device and chip select. Next, click Program and Verify. This process can take up to 30 seconds. Note that the AMP bitmap programming file is automatically loaded. Once the board is programmed, you can test it by toggling the control button under I2C and PM bus control. A green LED should flash from on to off and back. To program the flash, first change the jumper from AMP to flash. A configuration map is located on the top left of the AnDAPT board, adjacent to the jumper. After the jumper is changed, select the flash settings in WebAmP and then select Program and Verify. Again, the appropriate flash bitmap programming file is automatically loaded. This concludes the AmPLink tutorial.